What a difference 24 hours makes.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Tower. Piper Navajo 476 Alpha Bravo is ready to go, runway 31.
6 Alpha Bravo, hold short, runway 31, ready now for release.
Hold short, runway 31, 6 Alpha Bravo.
Four 476 Alpha Bravo, Texarkana ground, runway, Texarkana Tower. Runway 31, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
Clear for takeoff, runway 31. Looks like it'll be a left turn on course, 6 Alpha Bravo, thank you.
And climb maintain 5,000.
Up to 5,000, 6 Alpha Bravo.
Six Alpha Bravo, contact departure.
Over to departure, thank you for your help, 6 Alpha Bravo. Hello, departure, Piper Navajo 476 Alpha Bravo 1,200 for 5,000.
476 Alpha Bravo 4, send your radar contact, Texarkana Timber 3036.
3036, 6 Alpha Bravo.
Welcome back aboard. Got a short little flight, about 45 minutes. Back down to Natchitoches. Today's flight should be a little bit better than yesterday afternoon. Doesn't appear to be too much moisture in the air. It's freezing, but no moisture, so we're pretty good.
Contact report approach control 123.75.
123.75, 6 Alpha Bravo, thanks. Hello, Shreveport approach, Piper Navajo 476 Alpha Bravo, leveling off 5,000.
Over 476 Alpha Bravo, Shreveport approach, Shreveport, altimeter 3034.
3034, 6 Alpha Bravo.
Over 476 Alpha Bravo, contact Fort Worth Center 123.902, that's 23.92.
Okay, back to where we were, 6 Alpha Bravo.
107 Papa Alpha, contact Shreveport approach control 123.75.
123.75, Papa Alpha.
And Fort Worth Center, Piper Navajo 476, Alpha Bravo's back with you, 5,000.
6 Alpha Bravo, roger. Yeah, I'll be putting you back over on Shreveport here in about 5 minutes or so.
6 Alpha Bravo, no problem. Must have gotten us confused with somebody else, huh?
Forward, roger.
Maybe. Pretty good speeds right now, 230 mile an hour. What a difference 24 hours makes.
Yeah. Day's not over yet, though.
Oh.
Day is definitely not over yet.
Well, everything we went through yesterday, we're going to have to go through again to get home.
Get over 6 Alpha Bravo. You can go back over to Shreveport now, 123.75. Good day.
123.75, you too, 6 Alpha Bravo. Shreveport approach, Piper Navajo 476, Alpha Bravo's back with you, level 5,000.
Navajo 476, Alpha Bravo, Shreveport approach, roger, altimeter 3034.
3034, 6 Alpha Bravo.
So this little flight should be pretty simple and uneventful, but we're gonna pick up our guy we dropped off in Natchitoches and gonna head home back to Umatilla, Florida. And that flight, we might have a little weather we have to pick around again, so it doesn't look as strong as it did yesterday.
I don't think it'll be as bad as yesterday. You're going to be a little turbulence. They're showing light to moderate turbulence between like 7,000 and 17,000, and then icing from freezing level up to 24,000, basically just like it was yesterday. So we'll have to find our way as far as altitude goes. Try to find the nice ride.
So we had a beautiful day. Right now we canceled IFR. Go VFR the rest of the way. We got about 10 minutes. Should be on the ground.
65 Hotel Alpha is 5 to the east. We'll be entering. Center traffic, Starhawk 966, Tango, left downwind, runway 1, Minden.
Natchitoches Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 2116 Zulu weather wind 3
traffic
0
172 Romeo Kilo 8 miles to the north
10
entering left down traffic for 1
Meter 3033.
Our passenger down here at this mill. There's some heat coming out, so maybe the boiler's still running. That's the Red River. Kind of looks red, doesn't it?
Looks a little red today.
Natchitoches traffic, Piper Navajo 476, Alpha Bravo 5 miles to the north of the field, entering left traffic, runway 35 in about 1 minute, Natchitoches. Natchitoches traffic, Piper Navajo 476, Alpha Bravo 3 miles north of the field on an extended left downwind, runway 35, Natchitoches. I see him just took off. Not making any calls though.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, low, 1 mile.
And Natchitoches traffic, Navajo 6 Alpha Bravo is entering left downwind, runway 35. We have the departing traffic inside of BMOS. 3 green, 1 in the mirror. Never made a radio call.
Minden traffic, South 9 to 6 Wind Tango, downwind runway 1 Minden.
Natchitoches traffic, Piper Navajo 476 Alpha Bravo, left base, runway 35 Natchitoches.
I got him.
Natchitoches traffic, Piper Navajo 476 Alpha Bravo's final runway 35 Natchitoches. Looks like we have traffic on downwind.
And 739 Sierra Bravo, got you in sight.
Three green, 1 in the mirror.
Welcome back to Natchitoches. Be here for a little bit just to on our guy to get done. Then we'll be headed out and head home.
Turn the heater off.
No,
Turn on fan. And Natchitoches traffic, Navajo 6 Alpha Bravo is cleared, runway 35 Natchitoches.
739 Sierra Bravo is short final.
Not like to use the radio, does he?
No, apparently not.
We'll get some fuel and be ready for him whenever he's done.
Yep. And then we'll be back up here in the air in just a few minutes, or a little bit more than a few minutes. So
I have a feeling it might be a little wild ride. We'll relax.
for them, it'll be a couple
Oh,
minutes.
for them it'll be.
At 05. Visibility 9er. Sky condition few 800. Scattered 1,400. Scattered 1,900. Temperature 22 Celsius. Dew point 22 Celsius. Altimeter 29er.
And Navajo 6 Alpha Bravo, we can go ahead and cancel IFR now. We're going to go a little bit more to the right to maintain VFR.
I apologize, I was on the line with another facility. Who else called?
Piper Navajo 476 Alpha Bravo, cancel IFR, begin VFR descent.
Number 6 Alpha Bravo, IFR cancellation is received. The altitude is your discretion and you can resume on navigation. Did you want to stay with me for advisories for a little longer, or did you want to go ahead and go on your own?
We'll stay with you for advisories for a few minutes for 6 Alpha Bravo.
Sounds good, no problem at all. I have no traffic observed between you and the airport. Just as you get closer and just let me know when you want to terminate.
6 Alpha Bravo, sure appreciate help.
Well, we're in our final stretch on our way home. Got VFR to the airport. And we did a lot of little dodging and weaving the rest of the way.
So Cala we're over right now?
437.
The
Villages.
Oh, the Villages. Okay.
Yep. We're pointed right at Leesburg right now. Fuel pumps on. Low gear extension speed. Three green lights, 1 in the mirror.
Welcome to Leesburg. We decided that with the weather around, it was a better decision just to come into Leesburg where you could land. So we're in Leesburg and we're home. We'll have someone pick us up. We look forward for you coming back flying with us.